Hello sir. Sa assessment po is, sabi dito, create a PowerPoint presentation with explaining the assessment. And so, gumawa ko ng PowerPoint presentation, which is ito. And sabi dito is, what is a database and why is it important in managing and organizing data? A database is a structured collection of data that allows information to be easily stored, organized, and accessed. And the important of this is to keep data organized and consistent, make it easier to search, update, and manage the information. And last, helps businesses and systems make decisions using accurate data. And next, number 2, what are the different types of database? So, the different types of database is relational database. Number 2, NoSQL database. Number 3, hierarchical database. Number 4, network database. And the number 5, object-oriented database. And sabi dito, how they differ from each other. So, ang relational database is stores data in table like rows and columns and use SQL to manage data. Example, yung MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft Access. And yung NoSQL database is stores unstructured or semi-structured data like documents or key-value pairs. Ito naman yung example niya is yung MongoDB and Cassandra or Firebase. And the hierarchical database is organizes data in a tree-like structure with parent-child relationships. In the network database, it uses a graph structure allowing many-to-many relationships. Sa object-oriented database naman, stores data as objects used in object-oriented programming. So sa number 3, how does a database management system or DBMS help storing and retrieving data efficiently? A DBMS or database management system is a software that manages database and provides an interface between users and data. At ito yung nakakatulong para storing data efficiently using structured table and indexing, allowing fast retrieval through queries, ensuring data security through user authentication, maintaining data integrity and consistency, and last, supporting backup and recovery to prevent data loss. And next, number 4, what are the components of a database system and what roles do they play? So, ang component po ng database system is the hardware, software, data, users, and procedures. Ang roles po nila or the function is, yung hardware is the physical device like computer, servers, storage that store and run the database. And sa software naman, include the DBMS or the database management system and programs used to manage and access data. So sa data naman, the actual information is stored in the database. And sa users, people who use or manage the database. Sa procedures naman is the rules and instructions for designing, using, and maintaining the database. And lastly, how are relational databases different from NoSQL databases and where they commonly used? Ang differences po ng relational database at NoSQL database is relational database use SQL to manage and query data, while NoSQL uses non-SQL methods or special query language. And second, relational databases are best structured data with clear relationships. Ang NoSQL database are better for unstructured or large-scale data such as social media content or sensor data. And last, relational database provide strong consistency, while NoSQL is focuses on flexibility and scalability. And ang commonly used po ng relational database at NoSQL database is, ang relational database is ginagamit sa bangko, schools, pag-inventory system, and sa business application. Ang NoSQL database naman is used in real-time applications, mobile apps, cloud services, and big data systems. And yan lamang po, sir. Thank you for attention, and God bless po.